RBI cuts down the repo rate by 50 basis points. This is the third time in continuation when RBI has reduced the repo rate, and this time it has been reduced to 5.5%. Let's understand what is the repo rate and how it may affect our upcoming decisions. What is repo rate and what is its significance? It is simply that interest rate on which RBI lends money to commercial banks for a short period. It actually means a repurchase rate. It means the RBI does not lend money to commercial banks straight away. Rather, it keeps some bonds as collateral on the condition that commercial banks will come back to repurchase those bonds. So the rate at which the commercial banks will collect back those bonds is actually the repo rate. This rate is the RBI's most powerful tool of monetary policy. Monetary policy, which is used to manage the country's economy and the inflation rate in the economy. Coming on to its significance, when the repo rate is high, it becomes more expensive for the commercial banks to borrow, and hence the commercial banks will transfer this extra cost to us, to the customers, which will lead to increase in interest rate. What if the repo rate is low? Obviously, it will become cheaper for the commercial banks to borrow from RBI, and they can transfer this benefit. They can lower the interest rate for the customers. If the interest rate will be lowered, it will encourage people and businesses to borrow more and invest more or grow more. Coming on to how it may affect you if you are a saver, especially in FDs. Now, this will lead to reduction in the interest rate on your FDs. So this is not the time to invest in FDs. What if you are thinking to borrow, or you are a borrower? It will lead to lowering the interest rate of your loans as well. May it be your house loan, or may it be your education loan, or may it be your you can say vehicle loan, any of the loans. As an investor, it will obviously help you to invest more, because the companies will be able to borrow more, will be able to invest more, will be able to build new factories, will be able to launch new products, and hence it will lead to their stocks to rise up. Thank you.